Press pause now while you read the answers. Press play when you're ready to see the correct answer. So this patient who sounds like he's got a mnemonic process, so productive cough, fever, sputum, and obviously a risk factor, which is being a smoker, is going to have what sounds like a planned operation, an elective operation. He's already been on antibiotics for his GP. So we're looking down the list. Let's look at, so number one, as he's acutely unwell, his operation will be cancelled. That's very likely. But of course, if the operation is not truly elective, it's all about communication with the surgeons and the anaesthetists. So we'll hold on one. It may be one might be okay, but you decide as the FI1, well, that's probably not going to happen. So number two, I think is the more appropriate correct answer. The operation may be postponed until he's better. Take his contact details, discuss it with the surgeon and anaesthetist, because the surgeon will know stuff about this patient that we don't. They may know it's not actually a elective procedure, it's actually a semi-urgent one. The patient may have a hot knee that needs to be decompressed or a fracture or so-and-so. So these are important details to let the surgeon know. And also the surgeon can then arrange for another patient to fill that patient's place so that the slot on the list is not wasted. So that means operation 3, we're not going to do option 3 or 5. That means go ahead. Someone's having a planned operation. We're not going to go ahead with them if they've got pneumonia. Option 4, well, it might be an option if they're unwell, but basically they have a productive cough, fever, and a bit of sputum, and they've been started on antibiotics by the GP. There are lots of people walking around the community like that. There's no reason why he shouldn't stay in the community if he's okay. He should come in, of course, if he were more unwell, and that really would be a decision for the GP to refer.